The final adventure of Lake Kawaguchi. We're heading to the ice caves. Behind me is the ice cave. We have made it after a long and treacherous journey. We yearn for the mines. The mines!
Well, that's cooked as hell.
It's dripping.
God.
We yearned for the mines so much.
And we're in there for about 5 minutes.
And now we're heading to the next mine. The wind mine.
We just love it so much.
We love the mines. I got a new friend. My dream of trying the fluffy Japanese pancakes has now come.
A year in the making.
A year in the making. It's taken that long. Those pancakes were everything I dreamed of. I literally thought they were gonna be good. They were that good. I'm gonna go 9 out of 10.
And it was damn good. I know. I think it's a 10. First 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Tenor. We made it to the ho to, the specialty dish in this area. Ho to. Ho to. The ho to was elite. An elite food. I guess this is the signature dish of the Mount Fuji area around Kawaguchiko. And it is a broth mixed with
Udon noodle soup.
Udon noodle, pumpkin, potato, carrot, pork, beans, literally everything. It's like you just chuck it all in a massive pot and eat it up. It's like a hot pot. The broth, incredible. It was genuinely a top tier meal. I'm gonna go 8 out of 10. Only because they were putting a ton of pumpkin in, not much meat, and hella green beans. Not complaining, but yeah, it was overall incredible.